Greetings, I'm Vanessa Ashley, a Year 2 Sem 1 Psychological Science student. The purpose of this video presentation is to present a summary about an experimental article. The human social behavior. Discrimination is the treatment of consideration of or making a distinction towards a person based on the group, class, or category to which the person is perceived to belong. These include age, caste, color, ethnicity, family status, gender identity, nationality, race, religion, and disability. It consists of treatment of an individual or group based on their actual or perceived membership in a certain group of social category. On the other hand, racism is the belief in the superiority of one race or another, which include prejudice, discrimination, or antagonism directed against other people because they are of a different race, ethnicity, or belief that members of a different race or ethnicity should be treated differently. Moreover, racial discrimination is a unique type of stressor in that it is chronic and multifaceted biologically, socially, and psychologically, and associated with an array of behavior, socio-demographic, and psychological factors that influence behavior and thoughts. Besides, it is also acts as a chronic social stressor which can activate biopsychosocial stress responses in the body which will adversely affect one's health and emotional state. Lastly, racial or ethnic minorities is a category of people who experience relative disadvantages as compared to members of a dominant social group. The aim of this study is to examine the effects of racism discrimination on racial or ethnic minorities' health and to establish the magnitude of a directed relationship between racial discrimination, health, and culture among racial or ethnics. For the methods, a literature search was conducted to identify the study. The results were consistent where the psychological influence of racial discriminations appears to be greater than the physical influence. In short, greater racial discrimination was associated with greater psychological distress. As per conclusion, racial discrimination had an adverse effect on the health that will lead to negative health outcome.